Older brothers are like unspoken promises. They'll tease you endlessly, but the moment someone else tries, they're the first to stand up for you. They're the quiet protectors, the ones who taught you how to throw a punch or made sure you crossed the street safely, even if they pretended not to care. And sure, they don't always say I love you out loud, but it's in the way they check your car before a road trip, or how they'll send you a dumb meme when they know you're sad. It's funny. You don't always realize how much they mean to you until you look back and see all the ways they've shown up. So, to the older brothers out there, thank you for being our first protector, our quiet role model, and sometimes our best friend.